my love for you. I know what you felt. I see what you saw, reliving the series of your unfaithful law. I wondered when this mental battle will ever be won, only to feel the pain you've inflicted, alone without anyone. Facing the truth within after seeing you hold her naked sin, the emotional impact scarred me to my core, a wound so deep with scar tissue and phantom pain. Forgiving my enemies while your love affairs were told. Crushed my heart, left it out in the cold. Or gambled, you settled for your loss, betraying my very being, exhausting my love. A fool telling me your love was strong. I questioned my nights with you, wondering if I truly belonged. Not realizing you will only add more pain. You tortured my heart when you left with Elaine. The answer had always been there right before my eyes. After that day, I realized I am my own prize. You see, even in the darkest and the deepest betrayal, the heartbeat and the pain, remember this: your worth is not defined by someone else's actions. You are your own prize. You're whole, you're enough, and your love for yourself is what truly matters. Guard your heart, honor your feelings, and never settle for less than the respect and love that you deserve. Proverbs 4 verse 23 says, above all, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Until then, my friend, love God first and yourself. Peace.